this is what I would have done if I had to start my engineering again. So I have like 5 rules which I think every engineering student or anyone who is going to pursue engineering should know. So these are the 5 rules around which your whole engineering should be. Rule number 1. What you do after college matters a lot. So stay accountable and you should work on yourself almost daily. Rule number 2. Learn to study smart. You should be able to cover the syllabus of a subject within a day or two, and rest of the days should be spent working on yourself. Rule number 3. Your friend circle will be one of the most influential things in your college life. So choose your friends wisely. Rule number 4. Don't compare yourself with others, as everyone has their own unfair advantage. You just need to find your unfair advantage and exploit it. The last rule number 5 and the last one. Make use of the freedom you will be getting. And I'm not saying in a wrong way. Like explore and find the things you love the most. And how do you see yourself at the age of 50 or 60 years old? So let's look how my 5 to 6 semesters went and the mistakes I did. To be honest, I literally wasted my first 2 semesters of college. Like I could have done a lot of things but I couldn't. So in my first year I took part in a lot of events and met new people and enjoyed a lot and made really good friends. But I couldn't explore much on what I liked and what I should be doing. And I just followed what the majority were doing. And second year was the time where I actually found what I was actually interested in and what I want to do in my life. So I started working towards it and right now I am currently working towards it. So here's a semester wise guide to make most of your engineering degree even if you are starting late. So starting with first semester. I know everything is new friends, new environment, and you are feeling great. And yeah, to be honest, I think this is the point of time you should really enjoy. So you have grind a lot with all these entrance examinations, and now that you are in college, you have kind of achieved what you were working for. So I think you deserve a little break. So I would say chill out and don't take stress. So my advice for this semester would be to just go out, make new friends, go on trips, but also select 2 or 3 things which you are actually interested in and which you love right now and start working towards it. Also, CGPA is very important, so whoever is telling you that CGPA is not important is either scamming you or his or her parents are rich. So yeah, don't take stress much and just chill out during your first semester. Now that you are in second semester, now that assuming you have found what you are actually interested in, try to look for ways that you can monetize it. Like something you can do, like you can do freelancing or you can create content about it. Something which can help you make some money. Trust me, the feeling of not depending on your parents for your daily expenses is really good. So try to look for things that you enjoy and just work towards it. So try to monetize it, whatever thing you like, and just double down on that thing. Now comes the semester third and fourth. See, this is the point of time where your friend circle is very important. So if you don't have a good friend circle, I would say stay alone or just find a good friend circle. Because any day 1 is better than 0. And keep on working on the side hustles which you are working on. Also start slowly preparing for the placements. You could take advice from your seniors from your college, like what is the procedure to get a good placement from your branch in your college, and they will guide you. And also enjoy your second year, because I feel that second year is the best time of your college life. Now that you are in second year, you are pretty much familiar with your college, and also you don't have to take stress much about interns or placements. So enjoy yourself. Now semester 5 and 6. So this is your third year and also the most important point in your college life. So let me tell you, this was the point I decided for myself that I don't want to work as an engineer my whole life, as I was not that much interested in engineering, or I would say I had zero interest in engineering. So I decided to change my field and I am working towards this. So this is the time which you have to decide where you want to see yourself as, because you have to give most of your time to that thing. So be it placements or your side hustles, whatever it is, you have to figure it out, as these are the things that will eventually give you result in your final year. So these are the non-negotiable things I would do if I had to start my engineering again. But what if you are late? So let me tell you, don't stress. Like, it's okay to be late. I was also late. But the important thing is you should start working and stop thinking about I am late, I won't be able to do it, I can't do it, others are ahead of me. Just don't think much about it and just start working on the things which you like and you want to see yourself working. I know this is difficult, but I would say you have to trust the process, and eventually you won't believe how far you came. So if you're really liking this video, comment which semester you are in and what all things you would be doing right now. See, 4 years of engineering will pass, either you plan it or you don't. So it's your choice that you want to blame your college or build something out of it. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.